Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to accessibility. And here click on Talkback and turn on this button Talkback and give all permissions. Talkback will be active.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback.
For navigation,
Page 1 of 5.
you should
button window navigation
press
bar.
on the particular button, then
Double tap to activate.
you go to double tap to activate. Okay,
One UI home. Double tapped.
see here.
One UI
To go
home.
to the settings page,
Search
with
in
your two
page of
fingers, swipe
Notification
down like
shade.
this. Then only you can go to the notification area.
Settings
Okay.
button.
In this way, you can
Double tap
easily
to
activate
Double tap
Talkback in your
and
phone
hold to long
Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.